pulling in information from the web. Let's see how accurate that is. It is a beautiful day to be working with AI. Douglas here from Machine Minds AI, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock Dan. Well, ChatGPT using Dan connecting to the internet to get things that were previously impossible. To get started, we need two applications, or at least one. You definitely need Web ChatGPT. The next one you probably need is the ChatGPT Prompt Genius, but we're only going to be using it to get this do anything now. So let's do it. First off, if you have installed Web ChatGPT, make sure that web access is turned off at first. And then we're going to go to the Prompt Genius and we're just going to click play. It's going to open us a new chat where we can get Dan set up. So now Dan knows the current date and time, but he doesn't have web access. So let's ask Dan, what is the price of Bitcoin? $1.5 million. If we keep asking Dan, we'll realize that Dan is a complete bullshitter who doesn't know jack. Now Bitcoin's $3. I just lost so much money. So how can we fix this? All we have to do is turn on the web access from this plugin, and now we're going to ask again, what is the price of the beautiful Bitcoins that you have for sale? So what's happening now is ChatGPT is getting a wider context. This plugin is pulling in information from search results, feeding it in, and ChatGPT is able to get enough information out of this to give us an accurate response. So what I'm getting is that today it's currently 24,000 US dollars. So let's see how accurate that is. I'm just going to Google the Bitcoin price in USD, and it's a little bit lower than that, but we can see that it was up around there at some point today. This is actually the one-day display, so it was definitely at some point today it was that exact price. We're now tapped into the internet, and I did this as a simple result, but I want you to explore. I want you to imagine like this is a cave and there's just like these walls that are dark, but they're crumbling, and there's just this light peeping through, and this light is your little access to the internet. So I want you to reach your hand out with your prompts and pull in some light into the ChatGPT cave and figure out what you can teach this machine learning model in a single web query prompt and make it something useful, whether that's making a trade decision, writing an article based on the most relevant news, or even like a sports game or sports score. I can see so many possibilities for this. So whatever you think of, share it in the comments so we all can check out what you're doing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow us on Twitter. We've got a link to some free prompt packs, and we also have this incredible training on prompt engineering for programmers. It's got God mode. I think I just showed you a sneak peek of that, but it's very powerful stuff, guys, and I really want to see what you're doing, so don't forget to comment. Peace.